Welcome to Altcoin Today News. GameStop, from meme stock to moneymaker. As we start the news about crypto altcoin, please don't forget to now subscribe to get the next altcoin news. Also, if you have not yet invested in cryptocurrency, you can create an account in the world's largest crypto exchanges by clicking the links in the description section and invest in cryptocurrency with a 10% commission discount. In January 2021, a seemingly obscure video game retailer, GameStop Memes, GSM, captured the attention of the financial world in a way that no one could have predicted. What started as a speculative frenzy fueled by online communities like Reddit's WallStreetBets quickly turned into a phenomenon that challenged traditional notions of investing. GameStop transformed from a struggling brick-and-mortar business into a symbol of retail investor power and a potential money-making opportunity. The evaluation of meme stock. GameStop's journey from a forgotten mall store to a meme stock began when a group of individual investors on Reddit noticed that hedge funds were heavily shorting the company's stock. In simple terms, shorting involves betting that a stock's price will go down. These Redditors saw an opportunity to collectively buy GameStop shares and create a short squeeze, forcing the hedge funds to cover their positions by buying back shares at higher prices. The online community rallied around the cause, using humor, memes, and a shared disdain for institutional investors to fuel their campaign. This grassroots movement turned GameStop into a symbol of resistance against Wall Street's perceived manipulation of the stock market. The short squeeze and Wall Street shock. As more individual investors piled into GameStop, its stock price soared to unprecedented heights. The short squeeze worked, and some hedge funds faced significant losses. The financial media, initially dismissive of the online movement, was forced to take notice as GameStop's stock became a mainstream news story. The surge in GameStop's stock price also exposed flaws in the traditional financial system. The debate over market manipulation, the power of retail investors, and the role of social media in financial markets became hot topics. Regulatory bodies and lawmakers started scrutinizing the events surrounding GameStop, leading to a re-evaluation of market practices. Transition to a moneymaker. While GameStop's meteoric rise began as a speculative and somewhat anarchic movement, the story didn't end with a crash. Surprisingly, GameStop managed to transition from a meme stock to a potential moneymaker, showcasing resilience and adaptability. One key aspect of GameStop's transformation was a change in leadership. The company brought in new executives, including Ryan Cohen, the co-founder of online pet supply retailer Chewy. Cohen's vision involved shifting GameStop's focus from physical retail to e-commerce, aligning with the changing landscape of the gaming industry. Investors who initially rallied around GameStop for symbolic reasons began to see the company's potential for a turnaround. The strategic shift towards digital sales, esports, and other online ventures presented a viable path to profitability. The meme stock was no longer just a speculative bet. It became an investment in a company undergoing a strategic evolution. Furthermore, GameStop capitalized on its newfound popularity to raise capital. The company issued additional shares, leveraging the high stock price to bolster its balance sheet. This move provided GameStop with much-needed funds to accelerate its transformation and navigate the challenges posed by the evolving gaming industry. The lessons learned. The GameStop saga offered several valuable lessons for both retail and institutional investors, as well as regulators. First and foremost, it underscored the power of the individual investor, particularly those congregating on social media platforms. The democratization of information and the ability of retail investors to organize effectively challenged the established order of Wall Street. On the flip side, the incident raised concerns about market manipulation and the need for regulatory oversight. The rapid and unpredictable movements of meme stocks prompted discussions about the need for updated regulations and safeguards to ensure market stability. For retail investors, the GameStop saga highlighted the importance of due diligence and understanding the dynamics of the stocks they invest in. While the community-driven rally proved successful for GameStop, not all meme stocks experienced the same fate. Many retail investors face losses, emphasizing the risks associated with speculative trading. GameStop's journey from meme stock to moneymaker is a unique chapter in the history of financial markets. What started as a rebellion against Wall Street turned into a story of corporate reinvention and adaptation. GameStop's ability to capitalize on its newfound popularity and transform its business model demonstrates the resilience of companies in the face of adversity. The legacy of GameStop extends beyond its stock price. It ignited a broader conversation about the nature of investing, the power dynamics within financial markets, and the role of retail investors in shaping the future of finance. As the dust settles, the GameStop saga serves as a reminder that the world of investing is evolving and traditional models are being challenged by new forces, driven by the collective power of individual investors. Thanks for watching. See you in the next crypto news. Please do not forget subscribe. Disclaimer: the information provided on this video does not constitute investment advice. Financial advice, trading advice, for informational purposes only. You should not treat any of the video's content as such. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.